Unlock the secret to naturally radiant hair with Lila's Secret by Purum Vita. At Purum Vita, we believe in the power of nature. Our vegan organic shampoos harness the beauty of Australia's unique flora, free from harsh chemicals, in harmony with the environment. Each shampoo is crafted with endemic plants like the healing kakadu plum, resilient warata, and nourishing kwandong, plants that have been treasured by generations. Choose moisture shampoo to hydrate and revitalize, peppermint shampoo for a refreshing boost, volume shampoo to amplify body and shine. Our commitment goes beyond beauty. With recyclable packaging, Purum Vita cares for both your hair and the planet. Join us in preserving nature's gifts. Lila's Secret by Purum Vita. True beauty starts with nature.